Dan with Home Resource Solutions, Puget Sound's premier inspection service. Today we're going to be doing an inspection of a swimming pool here in Destin, Florida. So let's go take a look. One of the first things that we want to do is we want to check the outside of the pool and make sure that we verify that there's no cracking or any leaking in any way, so that we're not losing any water and we know that the structure is holding together. We also want to make sure that we look at all these lines and valves, make sure there's no leaking or any deterioration of those lines, make sure that we don't have any problems with it in the future. Then you want to check the timer and make sure that the pump is working properly and it's grounded. This is Kayla's first day swimming in the pool. Look at her go. She's like a fish in the sea.
And Maggie's coming in.
And
I'm swimming too.
today